Well, with 260 acres of privately owned lavender estate at my fingertips, I thought this would be a great place to use the Nikon D850 for some portrait photography. The Nikon D850 is a fantastic camera. It is very versatile. You can use it for landscape, for studio, for sports. But today specifically, I'm going to be using it for portrait photography. And I've got Kristy, my beautiful wife. You probably know Kristy from a lot of my vlogs. She does a lot of my B-roll. Say hi, Kristy.
Hi.
And Kristy has just released 2 brand new ebooks. She's actually an author. She does a lot of health and well-being books. Now the 2 books that she's just released, the one is called Sweet Treats, the other one is called the Zen Beach Diet. So now what I'm using is the 70-200 f2.8 VR2 lens. I cannot say how much I love this lens for portrait photography. Specifically here, using the 70-200, I need that separation compared to say a prime lens. Getting that 70-200, coming back from a distance away and then getting Kristy off in the distance and then zooming in, I get that really beautiful separation with the bokeh both in foreground and the background. Now the other thing I've got today is a 50mm f1.8G lens. I'm going to be doing a lot of close-up shots with the lavender in the foreground with that one. What I'll do is I'll put up the settings for the shots as I go through them. Okay, so that's enough talking. Let's get in and enjoy this beautiful lavender estate and have some fun. Okay, yep, that is beautiful right there. At the time of filming this video, Australia was suffering from the horrendous bushfires sweeping the country. Hence you can see both in the video and stills a slight smoke haze on the horizon. But as photographers, you have to sometimes deal with the environment you're in and do the best you can given the circumstances. Here we go. Big smile, that's it, gorgeous. That's it, that's the Nikon D850 in a portrait session at this fantastic lavender farm in Tasmania, Australia. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave a link to Kristy's ebook. Well, it's ebooks, isn't it? Yeah. 2 ebooks in the description below, so you can go and check them out. And coincidentally, yours truly did all the photography for them. So it actually contains shots from all the beaches that I've shot around the world, as well as all of Kristy's fantastic cooking that she did in it. Fantastic, I almost sounded New Zealand there. Thanks guys, I really appreciate your support and all your comments and likes. Always feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.